Kids nowadays spend most of their time sitting indoors, usually in front of screens. This sedentary lifestyle is the leading cause of many health concerns, including the development of weak bones and muscles. Interactive activities, like playing ring toss, improve kids' motor skills, teaching them hand-eye coordination, leadership, teamwork, and how to brainstorm and problem solve. So, if you're thinking of buying a ring toss game for your kid's upcoming birthday, you've made an amazing decision. But with so many ring toss games available on the market, choosing one can easily become confusing. How do you decide if a product is genuinely good or a flimsy knockoff? To help you, we've reviewed the top ring tosses of 2023. Number 1. Elite Sports Ring Toss Game. The Elite Sports Equipment Ring Toss Game is the perfect gift for both kids and adults. It will have your whole family hooked for hours. The set of ring tosses includes 10 plastic rings, 5 rope rings, 5 pegs, and a 2-part standing wooden base. Plus, it comes with a detailed instruction manual with a step-by-step guide, so you can install it without any hassle. Featuring a compact carrying bag, you can take this game with you to the beach or on your next camping trip. Or, if it's a rainy day, simply grab this game out of the closet and quickly set it up to cheer your kids up. This classic game is an excellent way to teach your child hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and simple math. Since it's made from high-quality materials and boasts durable construction, you can use this set for years to come, making it our best choice overall. Number 2. Go Sports Ring Toss Game. If you're looking for a game that will not only act as a competitive challenge for the grown-ups in your family but will also serve as an effective learning tool for your kids, then the Go Sports Ring Toss Game is your go-to choice. This ring toss will sharpen your kids' motor skills while offering them a playful experience. Made from high-quality, sturdy, and professional-grade wood, this traditional lawn game is durable enough for indoor and outdoor use. The set may look extremely simple, but it's super effective at developing hand-eye coordination skills in children. The materials, including the solid pine wood for the targets and the robust rope for the toss rings, conform to the highest health and safety standards. Plus, you can assemble the game in seconds to bring endless fun into your home. Number 3. Everest Toy Ring Toss Game. If you haven't tried the Everest Toy Ring Toss Game, then you're truly missing out on an affordable, high-quality game. This classic ring toss game comes with a set of 5 rope rings, 10 plastic rings, that come in 2 different colors, 2 target bases with point marking, and 5 pegs. Plus, the included instruction manual explains all the steps and rules required to play. This interactive game will keep your kids active, train key motor skills, improve their attention span, and exercise their hand-eye coordination while instilling a sense of healthy competition. Made from high-quality wood, professional-grade natural fiber rope rings, a sturdy base, and varnished uprights, this game is made to last a lifetime. The threaded screws are strong enough to easily hold the 5 pegs into the base and ensure that the peg stands don't fall during the game. Plus, it also comes with a convenient carrying bag for easy transportation and storage. Number 4. Ion Ring Toss Game. Do you frequently host parties and want toys that can keep your kids engaged? Well, with this ring toss game, you won't need any other game for your next gathering. This carnival game by Ion is a complete package that includes 12 brightly colored plastic rings, 12 random color bean bags, and 6 plastic cones in a variety of festive colors. Plus, a durable polyester bag offers easy storage and makes it extremely portable for taking to the park, beach, or on your next camping trip. The versatility of this set is unmatchable. You can use the cones to create a slalom for bikes, decorate construction-themed parties, and create agility courses for sports such as skating or soccer. You can even train your dog or reserve your residential parking spot with these cones. The possibilities are endless. Number 5. Ogremar Ring Toss Game. Colorful toys not only look more fun but are also better at enticing kids to put down the phone and play instead. This ring toss game by Ogremar boasts bright and sharp colors that will attract both kids and adults. The throw target is 18 inches tall and the set includes 8 throw rings. Ideal for indoor and outdoor settings, you can use this ring toss game as an effective learning and bonding exercise for your kids. Thanks to its lightweight construction, you can take it with you wherever you go. Plus, it easily disassembles in a super compact package that is perfect for traveling and storage. Made of durable and professional-grade plastic, this ring toss set is safe to use and is sure to be long-lasting. Consider investing in this colorful game if you're looking to improve your child's hand-eye coordination, precision, and accuracy.